Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain why Android phones vibrate randomly. Your Android phone may have experienced random vibrations, which you might initially assume are notifications or text messages from an app. However, when you turn on your phone, nothing is displayed. This can be puzzling. The problem of Android phones vibrating randomly without any warning is annoying and often wastes time. But this is often not a sign of a major problem. It could simply be caused by a setting or an app. Don't worry too much, as this video will explain the causes and solutions for Android phones vibrating randomly. Please watch patiently and try the methods shown in the video. This video applies to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. What causes an Android phone to buzz randomly? There are many reasons why an Android phone might vibrate randomly, the most common being app notifications. The phone vibrates when it receives a notification. Additionally, malfunctioning haptic feedback can also cause Android phones to vibrate randomly. Problematic apps or software can also cause Android phones to vibrate falsely. Low battery, weak network signal, and other issues can also cause an Android phone to vibrate for no reason. Hardware problems can also be the culprit. Next, we'll explain how to fix an Android phone vibrating randomly. Here are some solutions we've summarized. You can try them with confidence. Please try the following methods in order until the vibration disappears. We believe one of these methods will work for your phone. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to restart your phone. When your Android phone keeps vibrating for no reason, the first thing to consider is restarting it. Restarting the phone can clear the memory, restart the phone, and clear errors. Therefore, restarting the phone is often the preferred solution. Restarting your phone won't cause you to lose any data, so you can try it with confidence. To restart your Android phone, please try the following steps. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. On the restart screen, tap the restart icon, and your phone will restart. Wait patiently for the restart to complete, and then use it normally to test if the vibration still occurs. Method 2 is to turn off the vibration function. If your Android device still vibrates randomly after restarting your phone, you can go to Settings and turn off the vibration function. Random vibration on an Android phone without notifications might also be due to a malfunction in this feature. To turn off vibration, open your phone's settings and go to Sound and Vibration. If you currently have vibration selected, change it to Silent or Sound. This should stop the vibration. Method 3 is to turn off haptic feedback. When haptic feedback is enabled on an Android phone, you might experience weird phantom vibration while using it. This might not be a problem, but rather a function of the haptic feedback feature. To troubleshoot this, open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration. Then, tap System Sound/Vibration Control, or Vibration and Haptic. Finally, turn off all vibration functions. After turning it off, use your phone normally again to see if the vibration still occurs. Method 4 is to close all apps. If your Android phone has many background apps running, these apps can cause the Android phone buzzing problem. Too many background applications can easily lead to problems with your Android phone. To fix the randomly vibrating Android phone issue, please close all background apps as you normally would. Method 5 is to update your system. An outdated Android system can also cause problems for your device. Older versions may be incompatible with newer software or contain unfixed issues, all of which pose potential problems. For better Android phone performance, we recommend updating your Android system promptly. To update your Android system, open Settings, scroll down to Find and select Software Update. Then check for pending updates. If found, download and install them immediately. After the operating system update is complete, the Android phone vibrates for no reason issue should disappear. Method 6 is to perform a factory reset. If the above 5 solutions fail to fix the Android phone vibrates for no reason issue, you may have to perform a factory reset. A factory reset is an extreme measure, as it erases all data and applications on your phone and restores it to default settings. However, a factory reset can resolve most software-related issues, so it's worth a try. Before performing a factory reset, please back up any important data, otherwise all data will be lost. First, go to your phone's settings. Once in Settings, find and tap General Management. In General Management, find the Reset option, tap it, and then find and tap Factory Reset. Your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart, and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Android phone. Once completed, the Android phone vibrating with no reason problem should be resolved. Method 7 is to check the hardware. If you've reached this step, it means there's a hardware problem with your Android phone that you can't fix yourself. You need to take your phone to the nearest authorized service center to have them further inspect the cause of the random vibrations and fix them. If your phone is still under warranty, be sure to ask if there are any charges. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share, and tell us in the comments which method helped you solve the problem. If you feel there are areas for improvement, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Best of luck.